शांति।
ओम शांति।
सभी के मन अंदर कौन समाया हुआ है?
Who is merged in the minds of all of you?
सारे सभा में इतने होते हुए भी
This is such a
सभी
large gathering and
एक
you're
ही
so many,
बाप की तरफ
but
कितने प्यार
there is
से
only one Baba
दृष्टि ले रहे।
in each one's heart and you are taking Drishti with so much love.
हर एक के दृष्टि में बाप और बाप के बच्चे
In each one's
अति
Drishti
स्नेह रूप से
there is Baba.
समाये हुए।
And in Baba's Drishti, all the children are merged.
सभी की दिल एक ही बात कह रहे हैं,
Each one's heart is saying the same thing.
मेरा बाबा,
My Baba,
मेरा बाबा बस।
just my Baba. That's all.
सभी कितने प्यार से अपनी याद दे रही है।
All of you are giving your love,
भले
conveying
कितने
your
भी
love,
बैठे हैं,
your remembrance, conveying
भी
your
बैठे
remembrance
हैं,
with so much love.
लेकिन सबके
Wherever
दिल
you are, wherever you are sitting, but in
एक ही
everyone's heart, there is
याद है।
only one thing, it is remembrance.
क्या मेरा बाबा
It is only one thing is remembered, and what is
सभी के
that?
दिल में क्या है?
My Baba. What is in the heart of each one of you?
मेरा बाबा।
My Baba, Mera Baba.
अब बाबा में कितना कुछ प्यार के गीत कहो, कविता कहो,
And
सबके दिल में
and in each one's heart,
एक ही बाबा,
that it's the same song. You may call it song, you may call it a poetry, a
समाया
poem.
हुआ।
It is just one, and that is my Baba.
सबके दिल में एक ही गीत बज रहा है।
So it is only, it's the same song being sung in everyone's heart.
वाह मेरा
Wah,
दिल का
wah,
बाबा,
wah,
दिल का
Baba,
बाबा,
my sweetheart, the one who is in the heart,
मैं
is just Baba and my me.
सबके दिल में यही है ना?
It is
मैं और
this
मेरा
one
बाप।
song in everyone's heart, is it not? I and my Baba.
दो होते भी
Even though
एक है।
it's two, but still it is one.
हर एक के दिल में ये एक ही बाबा समाया हुआ।
So it is only one Baba merged in everyone's heart.
हर एक अक्सर आपसे पूछो
Each one, ask yourself,
मेरे दिल में कौन।
who is in my heart?
कमाल तो यही है
It is
कि
a
दिल
wonder
अनेक है
that hearts are so many,
समाया हुआ एक ही।
but it is only one who is merged in so many
हाथ
hearts.
उठाओ,
Raise your
आपके
hand.
दिल में
Who
कौन।
is in your heart? Baba.
कितनी दिल वाले हैं,
See,
लेकिन
there are so many hearts here. Each one has his
सभी
own
के
heart,
दिल में
but in
समाया
in
एक ही।
in everyone's heart it is
यही
only
कमाल
one.
है।
It's a wonder, is it not?
सभी के दिल में एक है।
So it is only one who is in everyone's heart.
ये एक इतना प्यारा है,
So how lovely this one is. The one, how lovely is
जो कितने भी
the one.
भुलाने की कोशिश करते तो भी
However much
भूलता
you
नहीं।
may try to forget him, but he cannot be forgotten.
याद बढ़ती जाती।
The remembrance is increasing and increasing.
यही कमाल है
This is the wonder
जो इतने सारी सभा
that it's such a large gathering
क्या कहेंगे,
and
मेरा बाबा।
all of you saying the same thing, my Baba.
सबके दिल में एक की याद है।
It is remembrance of only one
मेरा बाबा,
in everyone's heart.
मीठा बाबा,
My Baba, sweet
Baba.
Baba, lovely Baba.
और इसमें प्यार कितना समाया हुआ है।
And so much love is merged in
Baba.
this when you say, my Baba.
सभी के दिल में एक ही बाबा है।
So it is only one Baba in everyone's heart.
सबके दिल में वो ही
It is the same one
एक समाया हुआ है।
in each one's heart. It's the same one
कितने बैठे
merged
हैं,
in each one's heart. See, there are
लेकिन
so
दिल
many
में
sitting here, but
समाया हुआ एक ही।
but it's only one who is merged in each one's heart.
और सब कोई जानते हैं
And
कि इनके दिल में इस समय
everyone knows that at this
कौन है?
moment, who is in each one's heart.
मेजॉरिटी दिल में समाया हुआ
The one is merged in,
एक ही है।
in majority of the hearts, and it's only the one. Papa is emphasizing on the one in everyone's heart.
भले अनेक बैठे हैं
Although there are so many sitting here,
लेकिन ये सभा वो है
but this gathering
जिसके दिल में
is of those
एक
in
ही
whose hearts
बाबा
there is only one Baba.
समाया हुआ है।
There is only one Baba merged.
सबके दिल में कौन
So, who is in everyone's heart? Baba, everyone says loudly,
मेरा बाबा।
my Baba.
और बाबा कितना प्यारा है।
And see, Baba is so lovely.
भले इतने लोग हैं लेकिन मेजॉरिटी
Although there are so many here, but
बाबा ही सबके दिल
in
में
majority of you, it is only one Baba in each
Mera
one's
Baba.
heart, my Baba.
ऐसा दिल में समाया
Mera
हुआ
Baba, Mera Baba is merged in each one's heart in such a way
है जो दिल से निकलना भी
that
मुश्किल है।
it is difficult to take it out from the heart.
सभी प्यार से क्या कहते हैं
What do all of you
अगर
say
एक
with
दो
love?
में मिलते हैं
Even when you meet each
तो
other,
क्या कहते
what
हैं
do you
मेरा
say?
बाबा कैसे है?
You say, my
मेरा बाबा
Baba,
क्या
my
कहता है?
Baba
मेरा
says
बाबा,
this,
मेरा
my
बाबा।
Baba says this, my Baba. Each one says, my Baba.
गीत भी है ना
There's a song, is it not? There's
गाएंगे
a song.
गीत तो वो एक ही
It's even when they sing the same song.
तो ऐसे बाबा अभी यहाँ बैठे हुए इतने लोगों की
So, such a Baba
अगर हाथ उठाए
is
सबके
in the
दिल में
midst
कौन है
of all of you, so many sitting here. If Papa would make you raise your
सब
hand,
कहेंगे बाबा
that who is in your heart, all of you will say, it is Baba, it is my Baba in my heart.
सब ऐसे सीधा हाथ उठाओ
So raise your hand high to,
सब लंबा कर
yeah, raise your hand high.
सबका लंबा
See, each one's hand is raised so high.
कितना मजेदार लगता है
This scene is so beautiful.
बाहर गाते नहीं है
Although you are not
गाएंगे ना,
singing externally,
जाता है
because if you sing
करने
externally,
में।
there'll be a difference. It will come in words externally, the sound will come. But in the heart, it's the same because each one's voice is different, so it will come in a different way. If you sing loudly, but in your heart it's the same. All the hearts of all of you sing, my Baba, my Baba.
और सभी एक बाबा को याद करके
And all of you
बहुत खुश हो रहे हैं.
are so happy to remember only one Baba. See everyone's face. Everyone is so happy.
सबकी दिल एक ही गा रही है.
Everyone's heart is singing the same song, my Baba,
मीठा बाबा.
sweet Baba.
इतनी सब दिल होते.
Although there are so many hearts here,
सबके दिल में कौन?
but who is in each one's heart? My Baba.
मजा कितना आता है.
And you enjoy saying it, don't you?
कुछ भी हो.
Let anything happen. But who is in my heart? It's my Baba.
ऐसे सदा.
So,
मेरा बाबा मेरे दिल में
always
है.
think in this way, my Baba is in my heart.
यही देख सब खुश होते.
And on seeing, and everyone is happy on seeing all this, that how everyone is saying, my Baba is in my heart.
सबकी दिल देखो.
See each
सभी के
one's
दिल में
heart.
अभी कौन है?
Who is at this time in each one's heart? Mera Baba.
और मजा कितना है.
And see, there is
सारी सभा
so much joy in this.
इतनी बैठी है.
Such a large gathering
लेकिन
sitting
सबके
here,
दिल में एक
but
ही है.
in everyone's heart is the same one.
ऐसे है ना.
Isn't it like
दिल
that?
में सबके क्या होगा?
Isn't it like that again?
Baba.
What is in your heart? Baba.
एक ही दिल में है.
Only one in each one's heart.
और मजा कितना है.
And see, there is so much joy in
आप भी
this.
कहेंगे मेरा बाबा.
Each
वो
one
भी
will
कहेंगे
say, my
मेरा
Baba. You will
वो
say,
भी
the other
कहेगा
one will
मेरा
say, my
बाबा.
Baba. And the third one will say, my
कितना
Baba.
मस्त है.
And it's so nice, when everyone is saying, my Baba, my Baba, my Baba.
तो सदा ही ऐसे दिल में बाबा है ही है.
So Baba is always
कोई
there
भी
in
देखे
your heart, even
तो
if
क्या
somebody
दिखाई देवे. मेरा बाबा.
would look in it,
मेरा बाबा
what will he see?
चलो
Only my
देखे तो
Baba,
कौन
my
बैठा
Baba.
है.
Who is sitting in the
मेरे
heart?
अंदर
Who is
बाबा
sitting in
बैठा.
my heart? It's Baba sitting in my
मेरा
heart. My Baba sitting in my heart.
बाबा हमेशा कहते हैं
Baba
बस मेरा
always
बाबा
says,
ऐसा छिपा के रखो
you
जो कोई
should
निकाल ही नहीं
hide,
सकता.
hide Baba in your heart in such a way so that nobody takes it out, nobody takes it away.
मैं सबकी शिकलियाँ देख
See everyone's face.
अभी जो सभी की शिकलियाँ
At this
बैठी
time,
है
each one's
मेरा
face
बाबा बस
is
यही दिल में है
is smiling
देखो
and
सबकी
saying, "My
शिकलियाँ
Baba."
कैसी
See how everyone's face is
मुस्कुराती
smiling so beautifully.
कितनी अंदर ही अंदर खुशी में नाच रहे
See how you are dancing in joy internally, and everyone is clapping.
मेरा बाबा मेरा आ गया ना मेरा
My
मेरा दिल
Baba.
का
So
बाबा
when you say my, the word my, you emphasize on this word my, then it is
कहने
taken
में
in
भी
the heart.
कितना मीठा लगता है
And
मेरा
it's
बाबा
so nice to even say it in words, my Baba. It's so sweet to even
ऐसे
say
ही
this, my Baba.
सदा दिल में
So in this way,
कुछ भी करो
keep Baba in your heart all the time.
लेकिन मेरा
You
बाबा
may be
नहीं
doing anything, but don't forget my Baba.
सभी के दिल के अंदर एक ही है
So it is only the one in
भले
everyone's
कोई
heart.
कहीं की न भी हो
Maybe
लेकिन
in a few it is not there,
वास्तव में ये सभा कौन सी है
but what gathering is this?
दिल में दिलाराम
It is the comforter of hearts in everyone's heart in this gathering.
सबकी दिल देखो
See, each
तो
one's
क्या
heart, what is visible in the
Dilaram.
heart? It is the comforter of hearts, Dilaram, sitting in each one's
ऐसे
heart.
ही बाबा कहता है
This is,
कुछ भी करो
so Baba says that
लेकिन
you may be doing anything,
मेरा बाबा
but never,
ये दिल में
but
समाया हुआ
But always keep Baba in your heart, come what may. You may be doing anything physically, but always keep Baba in
सभी
your
के
heart,
दिल
come
में
what may.
क्या है
So, what is
सारी
in your
सभा
heart?
कि अभी क्या होगा दिल में
So, such a big gathering,
Meet
and
Baba.
what is in each one's heart? My sweet Baba. Baba is saying this so that we don't forget
ऐसी
Baba,
सभा
That's why Baba is repeatedly saying this.
जो दिल में एक ही
It's a wonderful gathering where is only
Dilaram
one
ek.
comforter of hearts in
दिल
each
वाले
one's heart.
कितने हैं
See, all of you, you are so many, but it's the only one in each one's heart.
दिल में छाया हुआ है
That one has
कितना
taken
भी कोई कहे ना
the whole place
नहीं,
in
दिल
your
में
heart.
और कुछ
If
हो,
somebody would
तो
tell
वो
you, no,
ठहर
no,
नहीं
there is
सकते।
somebody else also. But even if there is,
मेरा
that
बाबा।
one cannot stand when you say, my Baba.
कितना मजा है
So it's such
सबके
joy
दिल
to say
में
it. Is it
एक
not?
ही वायुमंडल देखो
See the
कितना
atmosphere here. At this
सुखमय
moment, it is full of happiness.
अतीन्द्रिय सुख की सभा
It's a
देखनी
gathering
हो
where
तो देखो।
everyone is experiencing super sensual joy. If somebody wants to see such a gathering where everyone is in super sensual joy, they can see it here.
अगर कुछ भी हो
So anything
तो
may
सबकी
happen,
दिल
but
एक ही बोलेंगी वाह 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 वाह.
each one heart will say only one thing. Wah, Baba, Wah, my Baba.
सभी के दिल में कौन?
So who's in your heart? My Baba.
और मज़ा तो है ये जो इतने होते हुए भी
And really, it's
भले
so,
बीच में कोई
so
और भी हो
nice,
सकता
so
है,
interesting. Although
लेकिन
you are so many, and maybe there might be a few
मेजॉरिटी
here and there who don't have Baba in their
इस
heart,
समय
but majority of you,
जब बाबा बाबा कह
when
रहे
you are
हैं
saying Baba, Baba,
तो एक ही बाबा सभी की
definitely it is only
दिल
one
में.
Baba in each one's heart.
और मज़ा कितना आता है इसमें.
And see how you are enjoying it by
ऐसे
saying,
इस
My
सभा के
Baba.
अंदर से वाइब्रेशन क्या लगता है.
See
एक ही
what
बाबा की है.
vibrations are being spread in this gathering is just my Baba, vibrations of my Baba in this gathering.
तो सभी से पूछेंगे आपके दिल में कौन.
If each one would be asked who's in your heart, each one will say, Baba, my Baba.
तो मज़ा है ना.
So
सभा
you are
एक
enjoying it, no? Aren't you?
लेकिन
Gathering is only one,
एक ही में एक
but
एक ही सभा है.
in one
एक ही
gathering, so
जादू
many in
है.
the gathering, and all having one Baba in the heart. This is the magic of the magician.
सभी की दिल क्या गा रही है.
So what is each
वाह
one's heart
मेरा
singing now?
बाबा.
Wah, my
वाह.
Baba, Wah.
बोलो अभी.
Say, Wah, my Baba, Wah.
तो रोज रोज सुबह को
Every day in the morning,
तैयार हो करके जाते
when
हो.
you get ready,
वैसे तो सब काम करते हुए भी बाबा ही याद है.
well, even if
तो
you are
भी
doing anything, you are remembering Baba.
अगर तैयार हो के
When you
और
got
जाते
ready
हो
and
या
you are going out
में काम करने
to
या
do
कुछ
some
भी
work
करने,
or for any other reason you go
तो
out,
मज़ा कितना आता है.
so you enjoy so
सारी
much
सभा
saying, My Baba, my
एक ही
Baba.
बाबा.
In this gathering also, you are enjoying saying, My Baba, is it not?
ऐसा कोई है
Is there anyone
जो आज अभी सत्युग में नहीं अभी
Is there anyone now, not in golden
बाबा
age,
याद
but
नहीं हो.
now, because golden age you won't remember it. Is there anyone now at
वो
this
है
moment
कोई.
who is not remembering Baba?
कोई है
Is there anyone
जो
who
बाबा
is
की
not
याद में
remembering
मेहनत कर
Baba
रहे
at this time or is
लेकिन मेहनत
working
नहीं.
hard to remember Baba
है
at
कोई.
this time? Anyone?
हाथ उठाओ.
Raise your hand if you think that, oh, Baba is not in your heart and you have to work hard to remember Baba.
सभी हाथ
No.
उठाओ तो सही.
Okay, now everyone raise your
सभी
hand.
हाँ
Everyone,
सभी हाथ उठाओ.
everyone raise your hand.
देखो कितनी अच्छी लगती है
See how
सभा.
nice this beautiful this gathering looks with each one's hand
सारी
raised.
सभा देखो आगे कितनी अच्छी लगती है.
Such a beautiful gathering,
मज़ा है
and
याद करने में, हो क्या है, मज़ा ही है ना।
and where is the difficulty in remembering anything? You only enjoy remembering, is it not?
और चाहिए क्या?
What else you need?
अगर कोई भी पूछे
If somebody
तो
would
दिल
ask
में
you
क्या
what
है
is
तो
in your
क्या
mind,
कहेंगे?
what will you say? My Baba,
बाबा।
Baba.
बाबा को दिल दे दिए।
You have given your heart to Baba.
जब भी याद करो
Whenever
तब
you
मेरा बाबा।
remember Baba, always say, My Baba.
तो एक की याद में मज़ा आता है ना।
And you enjoy in remembering only one, don't you?
मज़ा आता है।
You are enjoying? Are you enjoying?
क्योंकि एक की याद है ना।
Because it's remembrance of
बहुत
only
है
one.
नहीं जो
It's not remembrance of
कहीं
many.
पता नहीं याद
That you
आए
get
या
confused
नहीं।
and say, I don't know whether I'm
एक
able
बाबा
to
है।
remember or not able to remember. There's no need of confusion because it's remembrance of only one.
इस याद से क्या नहीं मिलता है,
And what
जिसको
you
जो चाहिए,
and what not you achieve from this remembrance.
खुशी
You can
चाहिए
achieve anything through this remembrance. If you want joy
या रमत गमत
or
चाहिए,
even if you want entertainment,
सबके दिल में
all is in
खुशी
one
की लहर।
remembrance. So at this time there's a wave of happiness everywhere.
क्योंकि अभी हमारा टाइम ही है
Because
खुशी की याद।
this is the time, this period, this is a period where
तो
you
एक
are
सेकंड में
always in happiness.
खुशी
And
आई
therefore in 1 second that happiness should come.
कि मेहनत लगती है।
Does it come in 1 second or does it take time or
इतनी
labor
मेहनत
to experience
नहीं
happiness? No,
जितनी मोहब्बत है।
it is not labor but it is love. So there is so much love and therefore
हर एक
remembrance
अपने
is
अपने
easy.
मौज में बैठे।
Each one is sitting in his own joy.
तो लाइफ है तो वाह, एक ही याद,
So
एक ही कहा
in this life, there
अभी
is
बाबा को याद करो
just
और
one
सब
thing
भूल
to
जाओ।
do, and that
सेकंड
is to
में सब
remember
करेंगे ना।
Baba and forget everything else. You can
बहुत
do
मेहनत
this in
है
a
कि
second, can't you?
बाबा कहे अभी
Is it hard work
ओम
to remember
शांति,
Baba? If Baba would say now Om
तो
Shanti,
क्या
finish,
आप
stop,
सभी एक सेकंड
can
में
you in 1
ओम
second
शांति
become Om
स्वरूप
Shanti,
में
become
टिक सकते
peaceful?
हैं?
Can you stabilize yourself in that
हाँ
state
तो
of
हाँ या
peace
ना।
in 1 second? Yes or no? So everybody says, हाँ, yes.
मज़ा तब है जब एक सेकंड में कहा
actually you enjoy it when you are able to stabilize yourself in 1 second, and each one says yes. It's not that it's not good that if someone says yes and the other one says no. Each one should be able to stabilize in the remembrance of one. When Baba says Man Mana Bhav, each one should stabilize in Baba's remembrance. This can be possible, is it not? If Baba just says, come on, all of you, come on the pilgrimage of remembrance, you should be able to reach in 1 second. All of you who are sitting here, can you sit in Baba's remembrance or stabilize yourselves in Baba's remembrance in 1 second? And really you enjoy so much when you are able to stabilize in 1 second, and all of you remember the same one. See, this life is filled with so much happiness. Wow, what a life. So much happiness in this life. Those who think that at this time my stage is filled with complete happiness, that one, raise your hand. So everyone raises their hand. I'm in complete happiness at this moment. See, in the front as well as at the back. Everyone, see your face. Look at your face. How is it like? All of you are lost in love, lost in remembrance. This stage, this stage can be maintained for as long as you want, but you need practice to maintain this stage for as long as you want.
अभी सभी के लिए कहते हैं 1 सेकंड नहीं 1 मिनट सभी इसी नशे में वाह मेरी अतीन्द्रिय सुखमय जीवन वाह अगर ऐसे बाबा कहे
if Baba would tell you that in 1 second stabilize yourself in that stage of happiness in 1 second, raise your hand. Without any fluctuations, without any ups and downs. Raise your hand high, raise your hand high. And Baba is saying, come here and see. This gathering is looking so beautiful. You need this practice. Let anything happen. There may be some pain or anything, but there should be no difference on your face. You should be always smiling.
ऐसी प्रैक्टिस होनी चाहिए.
You need to have this type of practice.
ऑर्डर मिले
if you're given
बस
the
अभी
order,
अतीन्द्रिय सुख
now experience supersensual
अंदर
joy
बैठ जाओ
in 1 second and stabilize yourself in supersensual
तो
joy.
बैठ
You
सकते
should be
हैं
able to do it in 1
अभी
second.
2 मिनट में
So
सब एक ही
now,
रस में बैठे
come on, Baba's now telling us, sit in this stage, all of you.
अतीन्द्रिय सुख
The stage of experiencing
लहर में
supersensual joy.
बैठ के
Sit in
कितना
this
मजा
stage
आता
and
है
you will enjoy it so much.
कितना इस अतीन्द्रिय सुख के झूले में झूलने में सुख है
There is so much happiness in swinging in the swing of supersensual
हो।
joy.
कुछ भी आवे सामने
Let any situation
ये
come,
सुख नहीं
but this happiness should not be
ये हो
forgotten.
सकता है।
Can it be possible
होता
that let
है
any situation arise,
आपको हो
but
सकता
still
है
you
नहीं
be in
होता
that
है।
state of supersensual joy? Can it be possible? Baba's asking.
क्योंकि हमारी जीवन है ही क्या
Because what
आप
is
अपने
our
दिल
life?
से पूछो
Ask your heart.
दिल में क्या है
What is in your heart?
आप देखो अपने दिल में
So look inside
कोई
your
दुख
heart.
है
Is there any sorrow?
कोई अशांति है
Is there any
अगर
peacelessness?
है
If there is,
तो उसका कारण जो है
the reason for
पूछ भी
that
सकते
is,
हैं, खत्म कर सकते
if there's some reason for the peacelessness or sorrow or unhappiness, that you can speak to your seniors or whoever and clarify it and
पापा कहते हैं
finish it.
मेरे बच्चे ऐसे
Baba
कहेंगे ना
says,
मेरे बच्चे
see, Baba says,
मेरे
my
बच्चे
children, my children,
और खुश नहीं हो
and not happy.
ये तो
You are my
मैं
children,
समझता हूँ
And
समझती हूँ
not
ये
happy.
हो नहीं सकता
Baba thinks
कि मेरे
that
बच्चे
this cannot be possible.
मेजॉरिटी
You are
खुश
my
होंगे
children. Baba is saying, you are my children and you are not happy.
अभी मेजॉरिटी सच्ची बताओ
Now majority of
अंदर
you,
में
ask yourself,
कोई
look
गुटका
inside.
तो नहीं है
Is there any confusion in your mind? Is there any confusion?
क्योंकि हमारी जीवन क्या है
Are you choking inside for any
तो क्या
reason?
देंगे
Because what's our
सुख
life?
शांति
What do we say?
आनंद प्रेम
That Baba has come to give us purity,
Yeah,
peace,
हमारी
love,
जीवन।
happiness, bliss. So that's our life.
ऐसे है
Is it like that or no?
कभी भी देखो आपको तो ये नहीं हो अभी नहीं है मेरी जीवन ऐसी
Whenever you look at yourself, you should never say that, no, at this moment I don't have peace, happiness. How can anything else come instead of peace and happiness? Because Baba wants me to be in peace and happiness all the time. How can anything else come instead of peace and happiness in life?
सुखमय जीवन
So this is a life of happiness.
ये सदा रहनी चाहिए
And it has to be there
तो आप
forever.
कितने हैं जो समझते हैं,
How many
तो
of you
मेजॉरिटी ऐसे ही
How
रहती।
many of you think that yes, we are in that state of supersensuous joy most of the time?
उठाते तो
Raise your
है।
hand. You're raising your hand. Very good.
पुरुषार्थ करे
So if you
तो
make
क्या बड़ी
effort,
बात है।
nothing is a big
जैसे
thing.
हम अपने
Everything is so
अवस्था को
easy. It
स्थित
depends on
करें वैसे
us how we maintain our
आखिर भी
stage. It's up to us.
मालिक कौन?
Because who is the master?
मालिक तो हम ही है।
I'm the master, am I not? Of myself, of my stage.
सिर्फ इसमें अटेंशन चाहिए।
The only thing needed is attention in this.
अटेंशन यहाँ वहाँ हो जाता है
But the attention is
तो वो
diverted,
भी चक्कर लगा देते।
then the stage fluctuates.
तो सारे दिन में ये अनुभव करना चाहिए।
You should experience this during the whole day.
क्योंकि ये अभ्यास
Because
बहुत ज़रूरी है।
this experience, this practice is very, very necessary.
आखिर भी कोई भी बातें आवे,
After all, whatever situation arises,
एक रस
your stage should be stable.
का इशारा मिले
You get a signal of stabilizing yourself in a particular stage. You should be able to do so in 1 second.
ये अभ्यास
This practice
सारे दिन में हर एक को
should be done
अपने
in the whole day.
रिहर्सल में होनी चाहिए।
One should rehearse with the self the whole day on this.
एक घंटा ऐसी अवस्था में बैठा,
Okay, I'm sitting in this stage for 1 hour. It's not a big thing.
मेरी अवस्था है।
It is my stage. It is under my control. It belongs to me.
अगर नहीं बैठती है
If I'm not able to stabilize, it is my weakness.
अगर इस अवस्था में स्थित रहने की कोशिश करो
So if
तो
you
बहुत अच्छी
make effort for stabilizing in this stage, then it is very good because in your life you will feel that
सैया पर
you are sort of, lying on a bed of happiness.
ये प्रैक्टिस जरूर होनी चाहिए।
This practice is very, very essential. Let anything happen, even if something happens. But my stage is in my hand.
तो इतने सभी बैठे हैं
So many of you are sitting here.
ठहर सकी, ये पुरुषार्थ देखा अपना,
And the moment you thought, could you stabilize yourself in that stage, or you were looking at others whether he
अपने
or
हाथ
she,
में होना
this one or
चाहिए।
that one, is stabilized in this stage
स्थिति
or
को
not.
स्थिर
So were you looking
रहनी
at others
चाहिए
or were you
है,
looking at yourself?
तो चाहे होवे ना, हो नहीं सके तो
But
इसको
if
क्या
you
कहेंगे? योगी।
work on yourself, if you are not able to work on yourself, can you be called a
और
yogi?
धीरे धीरे
A
अगर ये
yogi
प्रैक्टिस
means
होती
the
जाए,
one who can stabilize
जब
himself in
चाहे
any stage he wants.
तब इसमें
So
टिक
you
सके।
need to do this practice that whenever you want to attain a stage, you should be able to attain
टिकने की
it
कोशिश तो सभी करते ही होंगे
in 1
सारे दिन
second.
में।
Of course, all of you must be practicing,
वो अपना चेक अपने आप ही
but
करें।
you can check yourself about
कर
your
सके
stage,
सारे दिन में,
how much you can do it.
तो अपने हाथ में है।
So it's in your hand to maintain your
अपनी
stage.
बुद्धि को स्थित करना,
It is up to you how much you
अपने
can
हाथ में।
stabilize your intellect in that stage. It's in your hand
और कर सकते हैं।
and you can do it.
अभी बैठे थे सारे,
Now you are sitting and
तो अपनी अच्छी अवस्था अनुभव किया।
and practicing. Did you
जिसने
experience a
किया
good stage when you were sitting now
दिल मानती है,
and you accepted
वो हाथ
that
उठाओ।
my stage was good? Raise your hand.
अच्छा,
Yeah, really?
हाथ
Good.
तो सभी ने
Everyone is
उठाया।
raising their hand.
अच्छा, किसकी थोड़ी होती होंगी, किसकी ज्यादा होती होंगी।
Maybe someone's stage was
होनी
very
चाहिए।
high, someone's stage
जितना
was
समय
not that
कहे
high,
उतना समय
but
तो
it should be stable. You should be able to stay in that stable stage for a long time.
मैंने ट्रायल की है।
Have you
ये
tried?
ट्रायल जरूर करते
This
रहो।
trial you must do all the time.
कोई भी समय अगर ये अवस्था जिस समय चाहे उस समय बना सके,
If you are able to stabilize in the stage you want, whenever you want,
उसको
for however long time you want, and you can do it,
योगेश्वर की
then
लाइन में
you
ला
will
सकते।
come, you can come in the line of Yogeshwar, the god of yoga.
कम से कम अगर कोई चाहे तो मैं इस समय
If someone wants,
ऐसे वायुमंडल में भी अगर चाहूँ तो
That-
जैसे अवस्था में
if someone wants
वैसे हो सकता
to
है।
stabilize himself in the stage, whichever he wants, in whichever stage he wants, wherever he wants, and he can do it, raise your hand. The situation will not come in the way, the atmosphere won't come in the way, but you'll be able to stabilize in that stage whenever you want, wherever you want, and for however long time you want. So many raise their hand. So if Baba says good, if it is possible that if it can be done, it's good. At least for half an hour you can sit in that stage.
ये अभ्यास बीच बीच में अपने आप ही
You have to continue doing this practice from time to time with yourself.
सिर्फ attention
The only thing
थोड़ा
needed
देना
is you
पड़ता है।
have to give continuous attention to it,
क्योंकि आखिर भी
because
control of mind
Oh, control of mind. Baba is saying,
कि
after
स्टेज
all,
जो है उससे थोड़ा आगे आगे
with
चलते
the
जाना
help
चाहिए.
of control of mind, you can move forward gradually.
भले इतने सब इकट्ठे बैठे हैं,
Although you're so many of you sitting here,
लेकिन इकट्ठे बैठे हुए भी समझो ऑर्डर मिलता है आधे
yes,
घंटे
in
का,
spite of so many
सवा
of you
घंटे
sitting
का,
here, but if you're given an order that for the next hour, for the next
तो जब
1.25
चाहे जितना
hour,
चाहे
you have
उतना
to
टाइम
stabilize yourself in a particular
अपने को
stage.
कंट्रोल कर
You
सके.
can you control yourselves and stay
ये
in that
अभ्यास
stage?
भी जरूरी.
This practice is very, very necessary.
कभी कोई भी अवस्था अपनी हो सकती है,
You
लेकिन
can be in the stage you
अवस्था भी
want
हमारी
at
ऐसी
any
हो
time.
जो चाहे जितनी
So,
चाहे उतनी.
such should be your stage. Whenever you want it, for how long you want it, wherever you want it, you should be able to
भले
stabilize in
टाइम
that
तो
stage.
अभी दिन का है, फिर भी अगर ऐसे समय पर
So,
कंट्रोल करने चाहे तो
even at
कंट्रोल
this
कर
time,
सको. ये
whenever
प्रैक्टिस
you
भी होनी
want,
चाहिए.
you can do it.
कर सकते हो,
Can you do it?
हो सकता है कि
Can it be possible?
समझो ये अभी साधारण रीत में
Even in an
आप
ordinary
बैठे,
way or sitting here,
अभी
even now,
कंट्रोल का
just control
ऑर्डर मिलता
yourself.
है.
You are given the order,
ये अभी
control your
आधा
mind
घंटा
for half an hour.
आप इस अवस्था में
Stay
स्थित
in
हो
this stage.
तो कर सकते
Can
हो
you do it?
कि बार बार
Or
अटेंशन
will you
अटेंशन
have
देना
to,
पड़े.
you have to draw attention towards
भले
yourself
वो भी
again and
होंगी,
again? Of course, even that
लेकिन
is
ये
that will
प्रैक्टिस
happen, but this
जरूर हो
practice has to
कि
be
जब
in a
चाहे
in natural. That whenever
तब
you want it,
अपने को
you should be able
रोक
to
रोक सको.
stop yourself and stabilize yourself.
ऐसे कौन है जो रोकने चाहे तो रुक जाए.
Is who who will
हाथ
claim
उठाओ
that yes, whenever I
जो
want to
रोकने
stop,
चाहे
I can stop anything else, any
तो
other
रोकने
thoughts.
चाहे के बाद वो अवस्था
And
रुक
I
सकती
have
है.
maintained the stage that whenever I want to stop any thought and I want to stabilize myself in any stage,
ये भी
I can do
प्रैक्टिस
it.
होनी चाहिए
You need this practice, it should be there.
क्योंकि समय अभी ऐसा आना है
Because in the future, a
order
time will
मिले.
come when you will be given an order
ऑर्डर को
and
कर सके.
you should be able to stabilize yourself according to that order in 1 second.
ऑर्डर माना ऑर्डर,
Order means order.
ऐसे नहीं कि ऑर्डर अभी
It's
मिला
not that you get an order now
और
and
प्रैक्टिकल में
back in
आवे
and to bring it into practical form. It takes time. Order means it should be obeyed at that moment.
ये प्रैक्टिस जरूर होना चाहिए.
This practice
किस
is
समय भी
very, very
आप
necessary.
दिन में फ्री होते हो
During the whole
और
day when
अगर
you are
ऑर्डर
free,
करो तो ऑर्डर
and if
होता
you order
है.
yourself to stabilize yourself in a particular state, you should be able to do that at that moment.
ऐसी अवस्था का पुरुषार्थ होना चाहिए.
You have to make effort for reaching this stage.
ये अभ्यास जरूरी है.
This practice is very necessary.
चलो 10 मिनट मैंने
Okay,
समझा.
10
मैं
minutes.
बैठूं.
I
और
wanted
5
to
मिनट
sit
बैठ
and I
सकती
sat only for 5 minutes.
जितना भी हो, लेकिन आर्डर मानने में आवे.
Okay, never mind, even 5 minutes, but you should be able to obey that order and do it immediately whenever you want it.
आप समझते हो तो ऐसा
Do
भी
you
हो
think
सकता है.
that this is possible?
बाबा सेवा का टर्न यूपी जोन का है. सेवा का टर्न यूपी पश्चिम नेपाल.
Muniben has come as it's getting late, so Muniben is saying, Baba, this UP turn, UP, Paschim and Western Nepal,
जो
the
यहाँ
turn
के
of
आए
Seva.
हुए हैं, जो आज टर्न है जिसका, वो हाथ उठाओ.
So all those of UP, all those of UP and West Nepal, those who are doing service, raise your hand.
बाबा का क्यों देता?
क्यों कि संख्या जैसे है
सेवा का टर्न
उस
यूपी पश्चिम
हिसाब
नेपाल
से
का है. सभी
तो
खड़े होंगे.
अभी पुरुषार्थ कर रहे हैं और करते रहना.
So you are doing this effort and you continue to do effort
कि हमारी प्रैक्टिस होंगी
because
तो हम दूसरे को कह
when your practice will be there, then you'll also be able to tell
कहने
others.
में भी हमारे
Otherwise,
को शर्म आएगी.
you will feel shy to tell anybody if you are not practicing it yourself.
और
You will feel
practice
ashamed
होना चाहिए.
to tell others if you're not practicing yourself.
कोई समय ऐसा
And
आ
then this
सकता
practice
है
is very,
जिसमें
very
हमारे
important
को
because
पेपर देना पड़े.
a time may come, a situation may come when you may have to give a test, and therefore this practice is necessary.
सभी खुश है.
Are all of you happy?
खुश है.
Are all of you happy? Raise your hand.
बाबा यूपी वाले 11,000 आए हैं.
11,000 have come from
वाले
you,
11,000 आए हैं और टोटल 23,000 आए
and
हैं.
total 23,000 have come.
पहले से ज्यादा.
यूपी वाले 11,000 है.
यूपी वाले टोटल. प्रैक्टिस करते करते सब सहज हो जाएगा.
You practice and practice and everything will be easy. It's not difficult.
करते रहे.
But you should
चलो
keep on
कोई
doing.
समय है ऐसा है जिसमें थोड़े टाइम मिल सकता है. भले थोड़ा
Maybe
टाइम ही निकले.
on occasions you don't have
Practice
much time, but keep practicing and practicing,
इस प्रैक्टिस को
And-
नहीं छोड़ना.
and you will be
ये
able
अपने
to.
आप ही अपने
stay
को
stabilized.
प्रैक्टिस कराते रहना.
You don't you just need the aim to practice. That's all.
सभी यूपी वाले बैठेंगे.
हाँ,
यूपी वाले सभी बैठेंगे.
Okay, all those of you, please sit down.
हो गया ना.
यूपी
मतलब
वाले सभी बैठेंगे।
ये प्रैक्टिस करो, जितना टाइम कहे ना उतना टाइम पूरा करें।
So practice in such a way that as much time you
लेकिन
aim to
अभी तो
sit,
सारा
you
दिन
should be
थके
able
हुए
to sit
होंगे।
in that stage.
अभी का बाबा नहीं
Baba
कराता,
is not telling you to do it now. You must be
थके
tired.
और होंगे ना अभी,
You must be
आवाज नहीं
tired.
भले
करिए,
आराम से करो,
सब शांति
But
से
you
बैठ
can do
जाइए,
it
आवाज नहीं
at
करते
करिए।
leisure.
रहो।
You
ये
do it.
प्रैक्टिस होनी चाहिए।
This practice is necessary.
जितना टाइम कहे उतना
As
टाइम
much
का
time you
धीरे
want to
धीरे
sit, you should be
अभ्यास
able to
करते
sit in that stage.
और हो जाएगा।
And it will happen. It will
बाबा
happen.
का वरदान है।
It is Baba's blessing. It is Baba's blessing that it will happen.
बाबा डबल विदेशी भाई बहनें आए हैं, 600 आए हैं 50
Baba,
देशों
she's
से।
saying, Baba, double foreigners have come. Please stand up, double foreigners. Double foreigners, 600 have come from 50 countries.
सभी डबल
See,
विदेशी भाई
little
बहनें
children
खड़े
are
होंगे।
also standing.
अच्छा है।
Little children's retreat. And raise your hand, little children. They are having stars in their hand. And they are singing a song.
प्रैक्टिस अच्छा है।
Very good
अभी
practice.
गीत बड़े जोर से
You can
गाओ,
sing loudly. Sing. Children, sing song loudly.
जोर से गाओ।
The children are singing loudly. Mere Baba, they are singing, the little children. Somebody is giving them a mic. So the mic is going to them. Pyare. The mic is reaching them.
मेरे संग संग चलते हैं बाबा, मेरे संग संग चलते हैं
Baba is accompanying me.
संग संग चलते बाबा,
Baba is accompanying me. I'm going with Baba.
गगन में चांद
Just as the moon moves in the sky, Baba is moving along with me
छाया में
in the shade of the moon rays. This heart is stabilized.
संग संग चलते बाबा, मेरे संग संग चलते हैं बाबा, मेरे संग संग चलते बाबा, जैसे गगन में चांद चलता है उनकी किरणों की छाया में दिल हर पल रहता है।
सभी डबल विदेशी भाई बहनें बैठेंगे
Okay,
अभी।
now all double foreigners sit down. Children, sit
अब
down.
इसके बाद
Okay.
आदरणीय दादी, दादी
And now
जानकी
the
जी,
daddies will
रतन
come on the
दादी
stage.
और निर्मला दीदी, रुक्मणी दादी, ईशु दादी मंच पर आएंगे।
Now all the daddies are going to come on the stage.
अभी आदरणीय दादी जानकी जी, रतन दादी, मुनि बहन, ईशु दादी और दीदी निर्मला मंच पर आएंगे। बाकी सब अपने साथ अपने अपने स्थान पर बैठे रहें। अच्छा, मेरे को माइक उधर देना, ये लेना, मेरे को उधर दो। सभी अपने अपने स्थान पर बैठे,
So
कोई खड़ा
all
ना
of
हो।
you stay seated. Nobody should be
दादियाँ बाबा से
standing.
मिलेंगे।
आप समझते हैं हो सकता है,
समझते हो सकता है। दादी को यहाँ बिठा दो।
हो सकता है।
Baba is asking Dadi Janki, can it be possible to
अगर
stay
attention
stable if
रखेंगे
the attention is
तो हो
there?
क्या नहीं सकता।
What? Nothing is impossible. Everything is possible.
आप टेंशन रखेंगे तो क्या नहीं हो सकता है।
सब हो सकता है,
Everything is
लेकिन
possible.
अगर दृढ़ निश्चय है,
If there is determined faith,
करना ही
I
है।
have to do it.
समझो अभी शुरू नहीं करते हैं, करें जैसे अचानक ही कहते हैं। आज समझो अचानक ही कहते हैं
Supposing,
तो
for
भाई
example,
कल
if you are
से
told,
थोड़ा एक
all of a
घंटा
sudden,
करना,
now stabilize
तो कर
yourself on the
सकते
stage, can you
हैं।
do it?
अभी
जो
दिव्या
कर
भाई,
सकते हैं
ब्रिजमोहन भाई
वो हाथ
मंच पर
उठाओ।
आए।
Baba is
दिव्या
still
भाई,
continuing
ब्रिजमोहन भाई मंच पर आए।
that topic.
थोड़े हैं, कोई बात नहीं।
Only a few are saying now.
बाकी सभी अपने अपने स्थान पर बैठे रहें, कोई नहीं उठेगा।
Okay. So now I take leave because I have to go on the stage for candle lighting ceremony. There's going to be some celebration now, cake cutting and candle lighting ceremony. And Sister Grishma will take over. So Nive Bhai and Brijmohan Bhai have come. Brother Ramesh is in the hospital. He is stable, but he is in the hospital. So I take leave. Good night, and now
नए वर्ष
Girishma
की शुभ
will
आरंभ
take
की
over. Oh,
शुभ
Shashi Ben
वेला
is
पर
saying on the
निवे
occasion
भाई
of
आप सबकी तरफ से बाप
new
दादा को
year,
गुलदस्ता दे करके नए
Nive
वर्ष की
Bhai
शुभ
is
वेला पर बहुत बहुत अभिवादन
presenting
कर
a
रहे हैं।
bouquet
जोर
to
से आप
Bap
ताली
Dada
बजा
on the
करके
occasion of the
अपनी
new
खुशी
year,
प्रकट
which is
करेंगे।
coming very soon in a few hours. So Nive Bhai is saying Happy New Year to you.
हैप्पी न्यू ईयर करो।
Everyone, Happy New Year.
आप करो, सुनो,
Baba is telling me
तो सब
whereby
करे।
you say Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. Everyone say Happy
सुनने में
New
जोर
Year.
से
आया।
आप बोलेंगे हैप्पी न्यू ईयर टू बाबा।
सब देखो, सब किया तो उमंग से।
Yes, you said it with great
बहुत
enthusiasm. Very good.
नए वर्ष के
उमंग
बिल्कुल
उत्साह
नजदीक
से
पहुंच-
कर रहे हैं।
Very Happy New Year.
बाबा ने आपको हैप्पी न्यू ईयर कहा और आप भी कहिए
So Baba
Happy
said Happy
New
New Year
Year
to
to
you, and
Baba,
you also say Happy
to
New
my
Year to
Baba.
Baba, to my Baba.
हैप्पी न्यू ईयर बाबा करो। हैप्पी न्यू ईयर
Dadi Janki is telling Dadi Janki. Dadi Janki,
नए वर्ष
you
की
also
खुशी
say Happy
देखिए।
New Year. She's telling Baba only.
करने में होशियार।
She just wants to hug Baba. That's all.
दादी 101 साल
क्या सुंदर मिलन
Such a
नए
beautiful
वर्ष में
meeting.
बाबा
This
और
is
दादी कैसा सुंदर
Baba and Dadi.
101
Neelu Dadi, Neelu Ben is telling Baba, Baba, Dadi Ratan, Dadi Janki is 101 years old. Tomorrow we are all going to celebrate her birthday. She's going to be 101 years old.
बताओ ना ये क्यों?
Say to everybody, say,
12 बजे के बाद
so after 12 midnight, Dadi Janki is birthday, 1st January. She will be 101 years old.
सभी बहुत
नए वर्ष का समय और नजदीक आ रहा है
So midnight is coming.
और ब्रिजमोहन भाई भी
It's 9:40 now.
बाप दादा को नए वर्ष के
So Brother
निमित्त बधाई
Brishmohan
देते
is
हुए
also
आगमन के लिए
presenting a
बाप दादा को
bouquet
गुलदस्ता भेंट
to
किया।
Bap Dada for the new year, bidding goodbye to the old year and bidding and also
प्यारे बाप
welcome.
दादाजी का सबको नया
So
वर्ष बहुत
Brishmohan Bhai
बहुत
saying
मुबारक
is,
हो
so congratulations for the new year.
और खुशखबरी ये है
And the good
कि
news
आज
is
रात को 12
that
बजे
today at midnight,
आदरणीय दादी जानकी जी
And
101 वर्ष के हो
by
जाएंगी
at midnight,
और
Dadi Janki will become
उनका
101
बर्थडे
years old.
मनाया जाएगा कल।
And
कल
tomorrow
शाम को अच्छी
evening,
तरह से मनाया
there will be a
जाएगा।
birthday
दादी जी को
celebration
सबकी
of
तरफ
Dadi
से
Janki ji.
बहुत 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 मुबारक हो।
Dadi
आप
Janki's
जिए
birthday
हजारों
will be
साल,
celebrated
साल
tomorrow
के दिन हो
evening.
50,000।
Dadi, congratulations for your birthday. May you live
ये
for
रमेश भाई
1,000
जी की
years.
तरफ से
And may
वो
you live
हॉस्पिटल में हैं
1,000 years,
और
and let
टेलीविजन पे
each
देख रहे
year
हैं
be
प्रोग्राम
of 1,000
उनकी
days.
तरफ से।
So Brother Ramesh, on behalf of Brother Ramesh, Karuna Bai
त्रिमूर्ति
is
भाइयों की तरफ
presenting,
से बाप दादा को गुलदस्ता
Darling,
भेंट किया गया।
बाबा जी
presenting.
ने कहा कि सबके तरफ से रमेश भाई को
So
बहुत
Baba is saying
बहुत
that on
याद
behalf
नए
of
वर्ष की।
everyone, New Year
ताली
greetings to
बजाइए आप
Ramesh
जोर से।
Bhai. He cannot come, but he is watching Baba.
और एक
in the
ताली जोर
hospital.
से दादी जानकी जी के लिए
So
नए
one big
वर्ष के
clap
जन्म
for
दिवस की
Dadi
जोर से
Janki
ताली
for
बजाएंगे।
her birthday, 100 years.